Good morning.
Good morning.
We are at Geraldton. As you can see behind us, this is the Geraldton Lighthouse. So we came here yesterday around 6:30. It was after dusk. The drive was not too bad. We had lovely dinner and a lovely breakfast. So it's a bit cloudy today. So we were expecting more sunshine, but unfortunately the whole day today will be cloudy and possibly rainy.
It's good. It's nice for walks.
Yeah.
We're planning to go for some walks and parks today, so it should be fine.
Yeah, unfortunately we don't have any raincoats or umbrellas, so we will
okay.
enjoy it looks very gloomy and dark, but it's relatively warm. Like as you can see, we are wearing t-shirts and yay, love the jam. And yeah, it's actually not that cold at all. So we have lots of driving to do today, maybe like combined 6 or 7 hours. So we need to head the gas station, wash our windscreen from the excessive amount of flies. We actually were lucky yesterday that we didn't kill any kangaroos or echidnas or one, but it was so dark. Like there's literally zero lights around the road and zero fences.
Well, all right.
Yeah, okay.
Let's go on the road.
See you at the next stop. We finally arrived to Monkey Mia or Monkey Maya. I think you can pronounce it both ways.
Yeah, apparently you can do Monkey Maya, Monkey Mia.
Yeah, so we actually filming from the balcony of our room.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, amazing view.
Yeah, we're staying at RSC Monkey Mia and Dolphin Resort.
It's a very, very old hotel. I don't know when it was built, maybe 70 years ago.
Yeah, it looks like a bunch of shipping containers stacked on top of each other on the beach. But yeah, the view is very nice. We actually can see dolphins on the beach.
We just saw them, they were just swimming over there. Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, it's still raining, it's still cloudy. It's the weather was not very good today, but we got lucky. We were driving most of the day, so
Didn't
it's
see
okay.
much stuff.
Yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna wake up very early, before 7 a.m. So at 7:45 they're gonna feed the dolphin on the pier. So we should not miss that.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully have more better videos and photos done. And now we will go and get some food.
Food, please, food.